Hey guys, how is everyone? So we're going down to my dead piles and let's see what's in there. Give me a second to get down. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's go see what's down there. Wow, these stairs are loud. I just noticed that I just got a package. Okay, I need to stop buying stuff. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty dark in here. My car also has become a dead pile. Here we are. These four are mine. There's two over here, one here, and this one over here. And I've told the landlord to give me that last one too. So these are all stuffed with all kinds of crap. My car is also a dead pile. I haven't been driving it for a while. So let's go ahead and I have the keys to see what's inside. As you can see, I opened one and there's like boxes and boxes of stuff and I don't know what they are. What is that? Okay. Okay. And the bottom has just a Christmas tree. So the bottom is empty. I could bring some more stuff down here. What is this? Oh, okay, I see. I remember this. Okay, it's a little wolf that needs to be listed. And another one here. Gears, some Christmas items. I don't know what's in here. Look at that one. It says Hawaiian stuff. Wreaths and I don't know, all kinds of stuff in here. So, what are those? Are there books in here? Okay, I see another deer peeking at me. And some books. I need to get the books out. And maybe I could put those on Amazon. I know I have a lot of books. Okay, so let's go see what's in the other one. What's in this junk pile up here? Not sure what this junk pile is. So, actually, I think I do know what this is. Oh my God, it's heavy. Wow. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, this is something that I have listed. It's a caroling, like two dolls, a boy and a girl with a candle, and a huge Santa, and then we have, oh my God, flowers, Barbies, toys, some Star Wars stuff. I don't even know what's in this box. Okay, and we have, hey there! Okay, we have a pumpkin, and obviously that's probably some Halloween stuff that needs to get listed. I don't know what's in here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not sure what's in this one, but we'll find out. Okay, again, I have a lot of Christmas stuff, guys. We have some videotapes in here, and oh, God knows what's in here. And, you know what? I don't know. Some kind of, I don't know. I can't see it. Okay, it's dark in here. That's why. And there's some more boxes of stuff on the bottom. And let me get to the other one. Give me a second. Okay, so I found this really cool, looks like a chess set that who knows when I bought it. And I'm gonna take this up so I can list it. This is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take this up and then I'm gonna take up this scale, this apothecary scale that's in brass and has kind of like chandelier type crystals on here. And I also found two brass candlesticks. I'm gonna take those up. The other two I opened up, they were full of boxes. They were all boxes, so I need to go through them. And let me see what else I can find on in these two sides over here on the right. The other two I'm not even gonna mess with today. I'll do those another day, but let me do these. Guys, I found a bat mat. I need one for the kitchen, so I'm just gonna take this up and use it for myself. But I do see something else that's matching in here. Oh my God, the things you find. Is this the second one probably? Who knows? Let's see. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I don't need both. I'll take one up. And what is this in here? Oh, okay. These I need for the car. I should put these in the car. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the car. There's a few more boxes underneath. I know it's dark, I'm sorry. There's some kind of camera here. What is this? Tire inflator, okay. I guess I can list that too. But this I might need for the car. I don't know. I'll check and see if my car has one. And we have some books here. Oh, what are they? Evolution. Okay, let's go see what the books are. Sorry guys, my video's like, my camera's turning around and around, and my garage is a mess. It's not my garage, it's an apartment, so I could care less, but evolution, something here. Marie, some kind of nature book. Okay, I'll take those up. Let me see what else. This Tupperware here has a bunch of little tiny white houses and white ornament type things. So I'm gonna keep these until maybe next month, and then I'll put them in the Etsy store because I'm pretty sure it's full of stuff in here. What else is there? I'm trying to look through, but I see a white deer here, so that can be put up. And some pumpkins. And we have this huge nativity set, but that might be too big to ship. I might have to put that on OfferUp. But let's see what else. Full, like full. I don't know if you can see how full it is. Of these are what's in here. Balls. They're paperweights. So there's a whole bunch of them in here, like boxes of them. I don't know what they're worth. If it says anything on here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take these up and see. So this box here is full of books. I did take some out. This one, this is huge. Oh my God, what is that? Millennium World Atlas. Okay, so I'm gonna take the whole box down and take it home and see what's in here. Hang on, guys. So we have 2 more books. This one here, Archaeology, Today's World. So there's a lot of books. I'm gonna have to go through all these books. But for now, I'm taking just a few things up. And let me get up and I'll get back on here. Okay, so I did grab a few things, the mat and the other stuff. I'm gonna have to come down here more than a couple of times to get everything. And I want to thank Todd Rendon for this Mario hat. Please go check out his store in eBay. It's called Trendon Treasures. Thank you all. I hope you had fun. I'll come back down here in a day or two to go through the other 2, because those I need to go box by box. I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, I also want to thank everybody who joined my Facebook group. There's always room for jewelry. We now have 500 subscribers. I'm very excited. Thank you all for joining. I also want to let people know who have not joined that it's on Facebook. It's called There's Always Room for Jewelry. There's always room for jewelry. I'm going to put the link down below. If you haven't already joined, please go do so. It's a really fun place where you can list jewelry, buy jewelry, anything you want to do jewelry related. It's okay to do there. And I want to show you guys my birds before I go too. Give me a second.
And here they are. You know the little guys you always hear in the background making a racket. So the blue one's name is Icy, and the green one's name is Avo. And look how they're quiet right now, but they really do make up a racket. Especially when I start talking, they get really loud. I'm gonna get a little bit closer to scare them a little. Oh! Hey, come closer. That one is the girl. The green one is the boy. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Say hi. Hello. Yeah, so a lot of people wanted to know what my birds look like and wanted to see them. So here they are. This one over here wants to actually take selfies, looks like. But the other one, where'd you go? The other one's scratching his neck. Oh, there he is. Go up. Let me scare him a little. Hang on. And I did put these over here on the door. Over here. He's going to bite me now. Because one time they did open the door and the green one did come out of the cage, and I had a really hard time trying to catch him. But you know what I did? I did cover my finger with a towel, and I did press against his chest a little bit, and then he did come on my finger, and that's how I got him back in the cage. So there you have it, guys. Here they are. Avo and Icy. Say bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.